yung mga lens ko. Feels gatekeeper man ka, Queen Chris. Hindi ako nag-gatekeep. Joke lang yun, syempre. Yung iba kasi wala sa TikTok shop. Hindi ko nabibili yung iba sa TikTok shop. Bakit bawal magpadala ng food sa shooting ng Zoomers? Guys, malayo kasi Zambales. Though, eto na malapit na i-release yung Zoomers. So, magkikita-kita na tayo ulit. I'm very excited. I'm so excited talaga.
Sino ba yun? Asay King.
Ha?
Sino daw ba yun? Asay King.
Saan? Gwen.
Ba't kami tayo sa balo? Hindi yan tao, guys. Couple blanket. Meron din ako.
It's my blanket. It's a blanket. Sobrang sarap kasi sa feeling nito, oh. Ganyan siya, fur. Truth or dare.
Couple blanket, guys.
Truth or dare, tell me, are you playing? Truth or dare, are you playing? Grabe naman yung tanong, what principal value do you live by? Wag nyo naman ako, parang nag-interview naman tayo.
Yan lang. Recommend it daw.
Tat pala, lumabas na lang ako ngayon, ang boring tuloy. Habol kaya ako? Di na to na.
Na. Pagre-ready ka lang, or na.
3 na ako makakarating doon. But I am now, cause I'm up now. So let's play truth or dare.
Palon, balaba.
Like anyone. Nagpapalaundry ka, Krisa? Yes po. Anong name nun? Raho. Si Raho lumabas to. 1 hour ago.
Ay, nag-send na.
Where are you, baby? I can't hear you. Ay, patingin ng baby na yan. Guys, si Rahu yun. That's Rahu, my best friend. Tawagan namin baby.
True. Gusto na kaya, yung sa piatos, si Rahul. Yung kumakain sa piatos.
Huwag nyo nga kaming utusan.
Ano favorite ko?
Huwag mo akong utusan.
Hindi kami nag-coffee.
Inuutusan kita. Ganyan yung mga ano ko eh. Ganyan, pa-arbor ng kulangat mo. Kumamot lang ako sa ilong ko. Grabe lahat na lang. Nilalaro nyo talaga ako. Nilalaro nyo ako. Ang taray mo, darling. Huwag nyo kasi akong ganunin. Okay?
million daw para sa kunamot mo. Go!
Wala si Oni, nasa labas siya. He's outside eh. Niyaya niya ako pero di ako sumama.
Hoy, there, copycat.
Patingin nga ng face mo. Ah. Okay. On the way na ako dyan, agawin na kita kay Oni. Magagalit sila niyan. Magagalit sila niyan. Magagalit sila.
Hoy, there, go!
Will you ever consider plastic surgery? I mean, ako myself kasi so far wala pa akong naiisip na ipapagawa ko. But, if ever meron, I would consider. Kasi, why not naman, te, if makakaboost ng confidence mo yun, di ba? So, just do what you wanna do. It's your body, baby. Yes, mataas grado ko, 400. Makapal siya. No joke, pogi ni Giam. Ah! Alo? Laro!
Siguro papagawa ko yung baba ko.
Ah, talaga?
Papabawasan ko. Nababawasan ko yung baba.
Sino daw manok mo, Giam, Harvey or Oli?
Paano pag wala?
Paano pag starts with letter, ano pala yun? Laro! From where yung specs mo, Sunnies? I love this, Huwag ka magpapa-veneers, please. Na magpapa-veneers pero magiging straight na yung ngipin ko. So, I'm sorry, guys. Hi, Christine RN. Sino bias mo sa Bini? Mika and Gwen. Ang ganda ng lips ni Kriza. Sabi nga nila, sobrang dry daw ng lips ko eh. Di pa ako nagpapalip fillers ha. Alam nyo ba, lagi nami-mistaken yung lips ko na nalilip fillers daw ako. Di ba, te? Wala pa nga yan eh. Gusto ko nga eh. Pero I'm scared. Natatakot ako. Alam nyo ba, may times rin na gusto ko pero scared talaga ako. Kasi pag di ko nagustuhan, feel ko iiyak ako.
Anong use? Hoy, exit kumanin ka.
Ano ba yan? Wala namang face. Tsaka na pag may face na.
True.
I really like to find. Nandyan ba talaga si Oni? Wala dito si Oni. Nasa labas siya. Pero kung tinatanong niya if nasa Manila siya, di ba he posted? Nasa Manila siya. Guys, hindi naman kasi forever si Oni sa Hong Kong. Back and forth siya. Pero yun nga lang, di nyo na kami lagi makikita magkasama. I wanna get vengeance as I go along. Sa akin lang si Mika tsaka si Gwen. Go lang, guys.
Lip product.
Ha?
Ito po. Easy.
Eh,
Taray!
ito yung
Vlogger.
akin.
From Miss Kim. Lip balm.
Sa akin rin, lip balm lang.
Solar Bound at tawag sa
Laneige.
Ano pa paano yung pronunciation?
Laneige.
Laneige. Ayaw mo ba nakikita ko? Ma.
Ala, laro. Lagot ka sa boyfriend ni Giam.
True.
May boyfriend si Giam, guys. Pasabog, di ba? Ganda ng necklace mo, Krisa, from Bourbon. Cute to. It's a pearl necklace.
Lisa.
Sa akin lang si Mika tas Gwen. Sige po. Sa inyo na po.
Wala na guys.
Hindi ako makikipag-agawan, guys.
Wala na yung
Boyfriend reveal daw, Giam.
Wala eh.
Umuwi siya, umalis eh. Na 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 na. Ilabas mo na kulangot mo, laro. Nilalaro nyo kami dito sa live stream. Uy, ate. Si ate ginawa talaga, laro.
Ate, sabi kasi ng isa, 1 million daw para sa
Akin na si
ulangan.
Taylor Swift, dyan tayo mag-aaway. Sa inyo na Bini, pero
Si Queen Mother.
not my Taylor, baby. Sounds like we're with me, living in no one else. Maybe I'm meant too deep. Here's a little song I wrote. It's about you and me, I'll be honest. Looking at you got me thinking nonsense. Amin na si Oni. Go! Sa inyo na si Oni. Sa inyo na yon. Di namin alam nasan si Esnir. I'm talking all around the clock. I'm talking home, nobody knocks. I'm talking opposite of soft. I'm talking wild, wild thoughts. You gotta keep up with me. I got some young energy. I caught that LOVE. How do you do this to me? But I get on myself when you get close to me. Maybe my sun goes down. Sounds like we. Never than no one else. Maybe I'm meant to take. Ano sunscreen mo, babe? Paiba-iba ako, guys, eh. Pero I really love the Glad to Glow sunscreen. Yun nga lang, sadly. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari sa kanila talaga. But, guys, maganda yung Belo sunscreen if naghahanap kayo ng affordable. Pero if like may budget kayo and you really wanna spend talagang atake nyo, you know what? I'm gonna invest on my sunscreen. La Roche-Posay sunscreen is the best sunscreen in the market for me. And, anong name nun yung sunscreen is near?
Beauty of Johnson.
Yon. Those two are the best sunscreen that has ever existed. Thank you. Terry reveal. Terry's inside my room. Nasa living room ako eh. Sorry, guys.
Alas pala.
2 a.m. I'm gonna leave the live.
Yeah.
You too? Met you sa last Thursday years ago. Thank you po. 1 million o si Oli. 1 million na lang. Sayang naman yun. 7 digits rin yun.
True.
Nakita na kayo ni Oni. Kailan ba ko ba kasama si Oni? Kahapon ba? Or nung isang araw? Ay, nung isang araw pa. Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girl with tattoos.
Panoorin mo How to Make Millions Before Grand.
Oo, panoorin nyo. Sobrang ganda.
Iyak kami lang.
Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would have thought it turned me into a savage? Because in the streets, yeah, stop watching. My neck is faucet. My big deposits. My neck is. You like my hair? G thing, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. You like my hair? G thing, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. But much and diamond for six of my... May calcu ka na sa iPad. Walang calculator iPad ko. Kayo ba?
Nagkaka-ayun sa bagong update.
So update ko ba?
Yeah.
Guys, paano ko mamimiss si Oni? Nung isang araw lang magkasama kami. Mami, kailan
Hi!
kayo magkakasama ni Oni?
Saturday.
I don't know.
May asawa.
When ang May Dump? May Dump pa lang hinihintay nyo. Bukas post ko. Promise. I can't promise. Pero this week. Si Ate Tonet mismo na. Yeah, I miss Ate Tonet. I don't need a brag, but I'll be like, put it in the bag, yeah. Akala ko ba nasa Hong Kong si Oni, guys? Oni's model. So, balik siya. Hong Kong, Manila. Nung pinost ko yon, ay, di ba bumalik na siya dito sa Manila for bang show kasi he had to walk sa isang fashion show. So, babalik siya sa Hong Kong once may work na siya. Do you live alone? Yes. I see, I like it. Giam, ano ka na nga, te? Anong grade?
Yung
Hindi, college.
third year.
Kala ko ba fourth year na?
Fourth year yung kumbaga, kasi 3 years na fourth ko. So technically, parang fourth year na.
Bakit 3 years lang? Dinamihan mo subject mo?
Kasi diba wala kang bakasyon. Tricep kami. Tricep.
I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Get.
Di na po nag-aaral si Lisa.
Ha? Ano daw?
Nag-aaral ka ba?
Mag-aaral ako but I think not this year. I'm so busy.
True.
Guys, miss ko na nga hitting to her. I miss Nai. I miss everything. On the dance floor. Cause she twerk and she thought that I would come back and that's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no. And I did that.
But first year, wala ka daw.
Actually, may gugulat kayo kasi I wanna be a med. I wanna be a doctor. Ganda mo, Krisa. Thank you po. Ano yung ANSH? I am ANSH. Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Is that school?
If only for you, child.
She twerked and she told her I wasn't coming back. And that's my best friend. She a real. I miss Lee and Nai. I miss he's into her so much. Like, gusto ko talaga magka-season 3 kasi I think everyone is ready for season 3. Like, lahat ng cast, everybody is ready for season 3. Like, Don Bell, Ate Kaori, Ate Vivery, Joao and me. I really wanna do He's Into Her season 3 because I think everybody is ready na talaga for season 3.
Next ko, June.
Diyan ba matutulog si Oni? Baka kay Giam. Sa'yo matutulog, di ba?
Yeah.
Joke lang. Ewan ko. Nasa labas siya eh. Miss ko na acting mo. Malapit na. Trailer ng Zoomers coming out on June 13.
Audie or Herbie? Anong Herbie? Herbie Bo.
I wish He's Into Her had a season 3. I think kapag magkaka-season 3 ang He's Into Her, ang lakas ng paramdam ko na magte-trending siya.
Sobra te.
Sobra te. Kasi I feel like everybody's ready eh. I
Yeah.
feel like everybody's in shape, everybody's active, everybody is just matured enough to handle season 3, everybody's up! Everybody's...
At saka hindi na pandemic.
Exactly, baby! And I feel like season 3 is gonna be about, like... Gusto ko talaga magka-season 3, He's Into Her! Yun yung wini-wish ko. That's my wish this 2024. So guys, please wish with me because I really wanna do season 3 of He's Into Her. I will never ever miss love, girl. Save on-screen partner so far, Giam.
Exactly. Mag-audition ako sa He's Into Her. Season 3. Partner ni Raho.
Ang cute kaya ni Guys, Raho's here na. So, talagang ready na talaga mag-He's Into Her season 3. Dalia's active. Ashley's active. Raho's here in the Philippines. I am here. I am active. Joao is ready. Jello. Everybody. As in like, all of the cast.
True. Kakatapos lang yung time nila.
I really wanna do season 2. I'm gonna cry. Oh, gusto ko talaga maging teleserye He's Into Her. Swear to God. He's Into Her season 3 is gonna be a bop. I swear. Put it on my name. Kauri and Jeremiah, di ba, guys? Like, lahat may, ngayon, like, lahat active ngayon. So, sana talaga. Let's wish for the best. Manifesting. Bye-bye, Chris V. Why? Guys, malapit na nga Zoomers eh. Ba't naman kayo magbabike sa Chris V? Malapit na nga kami magkita ni Harvey eh. Sabihin ko daw yung stop me. I will just say it kapag sa He's Into Her na. AM na.
Bye, guys!
Guys, it's time to say goodnight and goodbye to everybody.
True.
I miss you all. Sana mag-post ako tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye, te.
Bye, te.